Hi there, Sheila. This is your long division of polynomials assignment. Uh, and you can see that you're making little errors here, and I'll show you one of the ways how we can catch that. In fact, what you're doing here is right. I shouldn't have circled this plus 5r. It's this one that I should have circled. And I'll show you why. What we're doing here is we're subtracting. So we have minus 10r subtract 5r. So if I just go over here and put minus 10 subtract 5, that will give us minus 15. So there should be a minus 15 here. Minus 15r. Let's look at the next one. What you did there is good. And what we have is 7 subtract negative 2. And 7 subtract negative 2 is the same as 7 plus 2, which is 9. So this should be 9t. Another similar thing here is you have minus 27 subtract negative 28. And again, when you subtract a negative, you add. So you have minus 27 plus 28. And this is where I think it's a good idea to have a little piece of scrap paper. And all you have to do is do these little things that if you write it down, it makes it easy. This will give you a plus 1 and not a minus 1. This one, again, you did everything right all the way down. But if we look at the minus 5 subtract negative 1, we have minus 5 plus 1. And minus 5 plus 1 will give us a negative 4, not a plus 4. So again, I just want you to, I'm going to let you reprint this one out and redo it. And I'll give you the full marks, whatever you get on the next one. Just making those little corrections. Looking at the last question, I'm going to do 2C for you, and again, I'll let you redo A and B. We were to determine the quotient, which is the answer to a division question, by first factoring the numerator. So in this one, I have x squared minus 6x minus 27 divided by x minus 9. So I factor this trinomial. I find two numbers that multiply together to give me minus 27 and add together to give me minus 6. And that would be x minus 9 and x plus 3. And what happens there, of course, is x minus 9 will cancel, and I'm left with x plus 3 over 1. So it's just x plus 3. So I'm going to allow you to redo this assignment. And if you do have any questions, feel free to contact me. But I think this will be enough to get you going again. Of course, if you want to stop the video at all, you can just hit the pause button and rewatch any section you want to. Talk to you soon.